If you are a YouTuber or if you want to become a YouTuber, then this video will help you a lot, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your setup. I mean, if you have a cheap setup, then how you can make your setup professional looking. For example, right now I have this kind of setup, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change this setup into this, and you can see the difference is that we have the background, dark background, and the light is only on my face. So what will happen is that if you put the light on your face, and if you have a dark background, then your audience will only focus on you. So this is the benefit of having dark background and light on your body. And we also have this kind of photo on our PC, so it looks more fantastic. And we have this strip light on our table, so it makes the video more cinematic. So you can see the difference between what we had before and what we have right now. So let me show you how I did this using the same thing that I have, the lightning, camera, and computer. So let's go. So as to make this kind of setup, the first thing you need is that a lightning setup. And some people will think that they need to buy a professional light, but no, I'm not using any kind of professional light. I'm just using a simple LED bulb. Let me show you. So as here you can see that we have this kind of light. This is a box where I have put in this LED inside the box. So if you want me to make a video how I made this simple homemade soft box, you can see that. Then tell me in the comment. You can see we have the LED over here, and the look is something like this. Inside this we have this simple LED. And guys, the second thing you need to know is that you need to know how to set up your light. So the first thing you need to do is that you need two light. The first you have to put the first light on this side, so the light will come on this side of your face, and you have to put the second light on this side. But remember, the first light, the main light, should be more brighter than the second light that will put on this side. So this light is more brighter, you can see on this side, and this light is not that much brighter, so it makes the video more cinematic. So you also need to do remember this thing. If you will buy a LED, then remember you need to buy a LED that is less brighter than your main LED that you have put in on this side. You can see, and if you do that, then your video will become something like this, and it will become more cinematic. And remember to make your channel more big and more bigger. You don't need to spend money. Just need to do that. You need to focus on little detail and try to make something best out of what you have. Like here I only have this simple lightning, this mic, and my videos you can see they are very great. So you can also do it for free. Just remember you need to know how to set up lighting. Put the first light on this side and the second light on this side, but this light is you can see more brighter than this one. So just remember that. And then if you have a PC, then you can put the PC on over here, and just show this kind of any dark background. And if you have a strip light, then you can also use this strip light, and your video will become something like this. You can see right now. So that's it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this one, we upload these kinds of videos every Sunday and Thursday on our channel. So just hit that red button and tap on the bell icon to get more videos like this one. And tell me in the comment which on which topic do you want the next video. So that's it. See you soon. Peace.